Hi guys, I'm Jifke, part of the board of TU Delft students. Today we are here at Prysmian to do an amazing challenge organized by the TU Delft, Prysmian and TU Delft students and with the help of Ondernemersfonds Delft and Council for West. We are invited to help lead the energy transition. Come along! The day started with some lectures from professors of the TU Delft to tell us about the latest developments in the field of the energy transition and material science. After lunch we were split up into 4 groups, where we had to come up with an alternative for connecting high voltage cables. This is a problem that Prysmian is currently facing.
What I like about this challenge is that we bring together the industry, together with the universities, to solve a real application problem. We have invited a bunch of students who are very enthusiastic to help to create new ideas to help solving this problem.
Each group will present a different solution, and at the end of the day a panel of experts will select the winner.
We are facing a great challenge as a society but also as industry with the energy transition. So we are looking to fresh ideas and together with students and the academic world we are stronger.
To conclude the day, we had some relaxing drinks and networking opportunities.